Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to another job lead video. Please make sure that you're subscribed and have your notifications on so you get notified every time I post a job lead. I try to get these videos done since I do work from home for my full-time job as fast as possible when I do come across a lead so that I can get them out to you. Some of these jobs are in high demand and do not last long. Once they receive hundreds of applications to go through, they will take the job posting down and try to hire from the applications that they have collected. As a hiring supervisor for my full-time job, that's exactly what we do, which is understandable. So please make sure you have your notifications on so you get notified as soon as these jobs go live so that you can get your application in before they receive enough and pull the jobs down. With that being said, let's jump on into today's video. I have another chat position, no phones required, for you today. And this is for the company Dell Technologies. And they are hiring a HR chat representative. And it says that they are hiring this HR chat representative for their remote United States team. So you have to be in the United States. It is a remote work from home position. And as a human resources chat representative, you will be responsible for assisting team members, leaders, and HR partners with any and all related HR topics and issues via the HR chat tool, so no phones required, relying on knowledge-based solutions and predefined processes to answer questions in a busy environment. So they probably have training guides, SOPs, and that sort of thing that you'll be referencing and reading, finding the answers, and then letting people know. I know with my position for my full-time job, if I have any HR-related questions, I go online to an online portal, I submit my question, and then somebody types me an answer back and normally includes a link to a company policy. I'm not sure if that's what you'll be doing here, but I do have that process at my full-time job, and this kind of sounds like the same thing. It does say that you will apply working knowledge and understanding of human resources, programs, processes, applications, policies, and administration to assist customers. You will work cross-functionally with other departments. You'll manage escalations in a sensitive nature, and you'll maintain awareness of programs and administration of HR. And it does say they require verbal and written communication skills, strong customer service skills, and the commitment for quality and attention to detail. They want you to have prior experience in dealing with confidential information. So confidential is anything personal. So if you've ever worked at a bank or if you've worked as a cashier handling people's credit cards, all of that is considered confidential information. Ability to work independently because you will be working at home, and you need to be well organized and a self-starter. They probably want to be able to train you and let you loose at home. You're not going to have a person in the office standing beside you showing you what to do. So they do require you to be a self-starter. Desirable requirements, but again, desirable, not required, are past experience in HR chat or a bachelor's degree or acceptable experience. Now, this position does not say what the pay range is, and the application closing date for this is to be determined. So probably when they get enough applications to go through that they think they can reasonably hire someone, they will take it down. But again, this is a chat position, no phones required. I know that's what a lot of people are looking for, so I just wanted to quickly get this out there. Thank you so much. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.